we will start with the first topic of today. That is your Haji, please read out. Merge sort. Merge sort we are going to see. Okay. So what do you mean by merging?
Combining two.
Yes, combining two data structures, joining two data structures
Combining
to make
two identities.
combining two data structures basically. So let us see. So if I have an array of size 4, I have B array of size 4. So A is an array, B is an array, which we are going to merge. So a resultant array will be of the size
8.
4 plus 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Please note down one thing here. Merge sort can be done in two ways. One is using divide and conquer, and one is without using divide and conquer. So we are going to see it without divide and conquer. Okay. Let me just. So we are going to see it without divide and conquer. Okay. So let us take one example. Then we will write the algo for it. Okay. So 2, 4, 10, 12, 3, 8, 14, 16. If you see this example, I have intentionally taken this example because this will cover all the cases of my algorithm. And if you check A and B array, both are sorted. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I have to merge A and B in such a way that both arrays should be when the resultant array will be there. By joining these two arrays, the resultant array will be again sorted.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear? Now takes
Yes, sir.
index is I, its index is J, and suppose this is my C array, its index is K. Suppose, because array hai na, so index will be always there. Now compare 2 with 3, which is smaller?
2.
2. So it will go to C array. I will send
Yes,
it to
sir.
C array. Now 3 will be compared with
4.
because I incremented. A का एलिमेंट गया था तो I incremented. अब 3 का एलिमेंट 4 से कंपेयर होगा.
Yes, sir.
So which is smaller?
3.
3. So who will increment?
J.
Because 4 का 8 से comparison होगा.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 4 compare with 8, which is smaller?
4.
4. Who will increment?
I.
8 and 10 compare.
8.
Who will increment?
J.
J increment. Now 10 compared with 14.
10.
Who incremented? Which variable incremented?
I.
I. 12 compared with 14.
12.
I incremented, and I has reached the length of A.
Yes, sir.
Now B में जितने एलिमेंट बचे हैं as such copy कर दीजिए.
Yes, sir.
Let's say sorted. But you saw one thing, when A's element was going, I was incrementing, and when B's element was going,
Yes, sir.
J was incrementing, but K was always incrementing.
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि उसमें एलिमेंट ऐड होता जा रहा था.
Yes, sir.
Example is clear to all.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Should we write
Yes,
the algo
sir.
for it?
सर बट पहले से sorted थे ना.
Yes. We say na merge sort. Basically, we say when the both input arrays will be sorted, we have to merge it in such a way the resultant array should be sorted again. Because we are doing merge sort without divide and conquer.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, ये डिवाइड विदाउट था ना, डिवाइड एंड कॉन्कर.
yes. Should we move now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Should I
sir.
write the algo?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, first step. Initialize I, J,
I,
and
J,
K
K.
as 0. Because both will start from 0, first position.
Yes, sir.
Or for algo, you can write 1 also. Because in algo, our array first position is 1. In program, our first position is 0. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Should I start? Now, second step. Repeat while I is less than equal to length of A. Please note down this algorithm because it is not available in your book. And J is less than equal to length of B. This condition is clear or not? I
Clear,
जब तक
sir.
लेंथ ऑफ ए तक नहीं पहुंच जाता, J जब तक लेंथ ऑफ B तक नहीं पहुंच जाता. ये जब कहने का मतलब जब तक सारे एलिमेंट नहीं हो जाते. Condition is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
third step. If A of I is less than B of J, तो C of K में कौन जाएगा?
AI.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. And I will be.
And I will
incrementing-
increment?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Else C of K में C of K में कौन
C
जाएगा?
of K is equals to B, B of J.
And who will increment?
J plus J is equals to J plus 1.
End of F.
Yes, sir.
Or suppose I say this is third step. No, this is my B array. Okay. This is the. So we know K always increments.
सर हमने K की लूप तो लगाई नहीं ऊपर.
कहाँ पे नहीं लगाई? K ऊपर कर दिया ना? K increment हो रहा है.
Yes, sir.
Repeat.
If,
वो
I
while
repeat. I repeat. Until I goes to length of A and J goes to length of B. If A of element is less than B of element, तो C of K में A का element जाता है.
Yes, sir.
And I increments.
Yes, sir.
Else C of K में B का element जाता है. And J increments.
Yes, sir.
दोनों में से कोई भी एलिमेंट जाए, K तो इंक्रीमेंट होगा ही. यहाँ लूप एंड ऑफ स्टेप 2 लूप.
Yes, sir.
इतना क्लियर है सबको या नहीं? प्लीज वेट.
Good morning, sir.
हाँ जी. Is it clear till now? Clear till this
Yes, sir.
step?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you see, एक स्टेप आया था जब A के एलिमेंट खत्म हो गए थे और B में 2 एलिमेंट बच गए थे.
Yes, sir.
तो हमने दोनों एलिमेंट ऐसे कॉपी कर दिए थे C में.
Yes, sir.
ये सब याद है सबको?
Yes, sir.
उसका लॉजिक
sir.
अभी हमने नहीं लिखा है. तो लेट अस राइट. फोर्थ स्टेप. Repeat while J is less than equal to length of B. क्योंकि J यहां तक था, लेंथ ऑफ B तक नहीं पहुंचा था.
सर I का भी तो हो ही सकता है.
ओ भाई, उसका कोड लिखेंगे अभी.
Yes, sir.
अभी इसका देख रहे हैं. J लेंथ ऑफ B तक नहीं पहुंचा था, तो हमने क्या किया था?
सर उसके कॉपी कर दिए थे.
C of K में
C of K.
B of J कॉपी कर दिए थे.
Yes, sir.
B के एलिमेंट कॉपी कर दिए थे.
Yes,
और कौन
sir.
कौन इंक्रीमेंट होगा?
J इंक्रीमेंट होगा और K इंक्रीमेंट होगा.
एंड ऑफ लूप.
Yes, sir.
इसी तरह पांचवा स्टेप क्या आएगा? रिपीट वाइल. अगर ऐसे इस केस में B में एलिमेंट बच गए थे, ऐसा पॉसिबल है A में एलिमेंट बच जाए, तो व्हाट विल राइट? Repeat, while
is
I is less than equal to length of
length of A.
A.
Yes,
क्या
sir.
करेंगे, एक एलिमेंट सारे C में डाल देंगे, तो C of K is equal to A of I,
A of Y. Yes,
I
sir.
is equal to I plus 1,
J.
and
K
K
is
is equal to K plus 1. End of loop.
Yes, sir.
बताइए, मुश्किल है? मोर शॉर्ट? Done.
No,
Complete.
sir.
Everyone, please. Having any doubts?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
सर एक्चुअली प्रिया का मैसेज है कि उसका वाईफाई प्रॉब्लम होने के कारण थोड़ा वो ज्वाइन तो उसने पहले किया था पर वो हुआ नहीं।
मुश्किल है ना भाई, अगर अटेंडेंस का ही चलता रहेगा चक्कर तो फिर कैसे होगा?
सर अभी एक और जने का कॉल भी किसी का आ रहा था।
Arshdeep was waiting. I have made him join. Gurkirat is there. There's no Priya.
ओके सर।
Is everybody clear with the algorithm?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is written in very, and you can code it also. It is almost similar to the code.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Should we move now?
So 1 minute.
Please note it down because this algo is not available in your book. This merge sort. I hope it is easy.
Yes, sir.
Please note it down. So after this fourth step, fifth step is written here on the top. Should we move now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us see the next algorithms. I'm going to share my screen now. Are you able to view my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is our last chapter, searching and sorting. So let us start with the sorting algorithm for it, starting with the first algorithm called, because what are the sorting algorithm you have done till now? You have done bubble sort, you have done quick sort.
Bubble
Today,
sort,
bubble sort,
quick sort,
quick sort,
and
merge
merge
sort.
sort.
Now we are going to see the next sorting algorithm known as insertion sort. Insertion sort. Yes. So are you able to view the screen?
Yes, sir.
So there are some elements given on given to sort: 73, 77, 33, 44, 11, 88, 22, 66, 55.
Yes, sir.
So what you have to do? You have to put at start minus infinity before sorting, because minus infinity is the smallest element we know. Okay?
Yes.
और फर्स्ट एलिमेंट 77 को हम ये मान के चलेंगे कि ये ऑलरेडी सॉर्टेड है. हमारी सॉर्ट स्टार्ट होगी सेकंड एलिमेंट से 33 से. Should we start now?
Yes, sir.
Or should I repeat what I said? See, we have some list of element 77 to 55. We have written those elements. We will put minus infinity at the start. Why we will put minus infinity at the start? Because minus infinity is the smallest element known till date. इससे छोटा एलिमेंट नहीं होता minus infinity से. And we will assume the first element is already sorted. Hence, my sort will start from the second element. Okay? So my sort will start from 33. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
33 को कंपेयर करना है बैक एलिमेंट से. 33 77 से
छोटा है,
और माइनस इन्फिनिटी से,
बड़ा.
बड़ा है,
बड़ा है।
इसलिए ये यहां इंसर्ट होगा. इसलिए इसको इंसर्शन सॉर्ट कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट देखिए 44. 77 से छोटा है बट 33 से बड़ा है. इन दोनों के बीच में इंसर्ट होगा.
Yes, sir.
अब नेक्स्ट देखिए, नेक्स्ट स्टेप, फोर्थ स्टेप K4. 11 77 से छोटा है,
Yes, sir.
44 से छोटा है,
यस सर,
33 से छोटा है, बट माइनस
Yes, sir.
इन्फिनिटी से बड़ा है. बट एक चीज आपको यहां ध्यान देनी है, जब मैं ये देख रहा था फर्स्ट स्टेप में कि 33 स्मॉलर देन 77 बट माइनस इंफिनिटी से बड़ा है, तो वहां इंसर्ट करेंगे, तो 77 को पुश करेंगे तभी 33 के लिए वहां जगह बनेगी।
Yes, sir.
तो इसमें हम
Yes, sir.
पीछे चल रहे हैं। यस, 11 कंपेयर्ड विद 77 प्रीवियस एलिमेंट, 11 इज लेस देन 77, तो 77 को एक पुश देंगे आगे, फिर 11 का कंपैरिजन होगा 44 से, फिर 40 इन सारे एलिमेंट को पुश
44
देंगे।
को।
समझ आई बात?
Yes, sir.
शुड स्टार्ट दी एल्गो?
Yes, sir.
सर ये कौन सी मेथोलॉजी पर बेस्ड है? डिवाइड एंड कॉन्कर?
No, 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 nothing divide and conquer. Divide and conquer, you remember please, divide and conquer was dividing your problem into subproblem. Here we are not dividing
sir.
anything.
सर
It is-
ये
it
फिर
is
कौन से
simple.
मेथड पे बेस्ड?
No,
ओके सर,
no categorization of any method.
ओके सर।
Now let us see its algorithm. So this is the algorithm. Very easy. तो array के first element में minus infinity डाला. First step is clear.
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Second step, repeat steps 3 to 5 for k is equal to 2 to n. आपको याद होगा सॉर्ट सेकंड एलिमेंट से स्टार्ट हुआ था।
Yes, sir.
सेकंड स्टेप इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
तो a2 k is 2, a2 मींस कौन सा एलिमेंट?
33.
33
33.
एंड पॉइंटर इज k minus 1. व्हाई पॉइंटर इज k minus 1? बिकॉज 33 का पिछले एलिमेंट से कंपैरिजन होना है, तो -1 पीछे कंपैरिजन करेंगे। यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो ptr is k minus 1, that is 77.
यस सर।
तो 33 is less than 77.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fourth condition is true.
Yes, sir.
होप आपको थर्ड स्टेप क्लियर है। टेम्प में एलिमेंट डालेंगे, पॉइंटर उससे एक पिछला एलिमेंट होगा क्योंकि उसका पिछले एलिमेंट से कंपैरिजन होना है।
Yes, sir. Clear.
33 is less than 77.
Yes, sir.
तो 77 को एक पुश देंगे, ए स्टेप, पॉइंटर को पॉइंटर +1 में डाल दिया। यस और नो?
यस सर।
सर इससे ओवरराइडिंग नहीं हो जाएगी?
नहीं, ओवरराइडिंग नहीं करेंगे ना। ओवरराइडिंग क्यों करेंगे? देखो
Sir,
आप
जैसे
33 आप 33 को टेम्प में डाल चुके हो,
Yes, sir.
तो जब 77 यहाँ आएगा 33 में टेम्प आपके पास है,
Okay, sir.
ओवरराइड क्यों होगा?
Okay, sir.
फोर्थ ए स्टेप इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
77 को एक पुश दिया और पुश देने के बाद एक पीछे आ गए, पॉइंटर -1। अब 33 का कंपैरिजन किससे होगा?
Minus
Minus
infinity.
तो माइनस इंफिनिटी से वो बड़ा है, तो कंडीशन क्या हो जाएगी फोर्थ वाली? फॉल्स।
False.
तो फिफ्थ स्टेप सी, प्लीज नॉइज कम करिए, आपके किसी के एंड पे नॉइज है।
ये हमको कल नहीं सबमिट, कल जो हमको करना था वो हम कर दें, परसों वाला मैच। परसों सबमिट करना।
सिमरन भोगल,
सॉरी सर, बाय मिस्टेक।
फोर्थ स्टेप इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
नाउ
Yes, sir.
33 विल बी कंपेयर्ड विद माइनस इंफिनिटी, और माइनस इंफिनिटी के एक आगे मुझे 33 इंसर्ट करना है। यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो देखिए आप फिफ्थ स्टेप, माइनस इंफिनिटी के +1 एक आगे स्टेप पे 33 इंसर्ट कर दूंगा।
Yes, sir.
हो गया सर।
इज इट इजी?
Yes, sir.
तो आप एक एग्जांपल ले लीजिए कोई भी, सपोज 11।
सर इसकी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी n टाइम्स ही होगी ना?
सी आई शो यू। तो ये इसका कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑर्डर ऑफ n स्क्वायर, वर्स्ट केस में
Order
ऑर्डर
of
ऑफ n
n.
स्क्वायर, एवरेज में भी ऑर्डर ऑफ n स्क्वायर।
Yes, sir.
इज द एल्गो क्लियर टू एवरीवन, और शुड आई रिपीट?
Sir, minus infinity initialize कैसे करेंगे?
वो आप प्रोग्रामिंग, there is a very good question, how we will put minus infinity to array in while implementation? So you put any negative element, -10,
Okay, sir.
because array element, all array element will be greater than -10.
सर C++ में एक वो भी होता है ना, int minimum int underscore min, सर वो
हाँ,
मिनिमम एलिमेंट दे देता है।
डाल सकते हैं, बट आप
So
normal
values
int
dot
लेके,
h है,
आप
dependent
normal int
होता है।
लेके भी minus any negative element you can take.
ओके, बट सर हम फिर एरे में ऐसे, सर अगर कोई नेगेटिव एलिमेंट उससे भी छोटा अगर प्रेजेंट हो
Yes,
पहले
yes,
से ही,
yes. फिर दिक्कत
तो
हो सकती है, फिर दिक्कत
प्रॉब्लम
हो
आ
सकती
सकती
है,
है
फिर
ना?
दिक्कत हो सकती है, yes. But you take
Yes,
ना,
okay.
suppose you took minus 10,000 element in first position. So in array
Yes,
element
sir.
you will never put like any element like that.
Yes sir, sure sir.
Is the algo clear now?
Yes, sir.
Should we move everyone?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Okay. So next, today is only searching and sorting day. So next is selection sort. Insertion, no, insertion sort logic is clear. Why we called insertion sort? Because we insert the element on its appropriate position.
Yes, sir.
That is why insertion sort. Now let us see the selection sort. So selection sort, this is the example. Again, the same sequence of elements. So I pick the first element 77 and check what is the smallest element in the further list.
11.
11 and 77 will be swapped. First step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now pick the second element 33 और लिस्ट में सबसे छोटा एलिमेंट क्या है?
22.
इंटरचेंज. तो दो ही काम है, स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट ढूंढना है और इंटरचेंज कर देना. Why it is called selection sort? Because you are selecting the smallest element and then you are swapping.
Yes,
Is the
sir.
example clear?
Yes, sir.
You can see all the steps, please. Then we will go for the algorithm.
Yes, sir.
Should we move?
Yes, sir.
Is example clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
लोकेशन उसी एलिमेंट को पॉइंट कर रहा होगा ना जो हमें स्मॉलेस्ट ढूंढ रहे हैं.
जी जी जी. Now see. Selection sort algorithm. So selection sort algorithm has a sub algorithm called min. So 1 to n minus 1. Call min. Min is basically doing what? Finding the smallest element for you. And नीचे आके उनको क्या कर देंगे? Third step में. Swap. Simple. और smallest element ढूंढना तो आपको पता ही है कैसे ढूंढते हैं. First element को min मान लेते हैं. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो आप देख लीजिए k1 to n जब min कॉल होगा तो a1 फर्स्ट एलिमेंट को min मान लेंगे और j is equal to k plus 1 to n सेकंड एलिमेंट से n तक. अगर min किसी एलिमेंट से बड़ा है इसका मतलब है वो एरे का एलिमेंट min से छोटा है तो उसको min में डाल देंगे, j लोकेशन नोट कर लेंगे और नीचे आके थर्ड स्टेप में स्वैप कर देंगे. Is it clear? I should repeat, please.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Please, if you say, I can repeat, please. Is it clear to everyone? So we are doing only two things: finding the smallest element in min and then interchanging. Is it clear? Angad,
Yes, sir.
Manpreet, is it clear?
क्या सर? क्लियर सर.
Asha,
Yes, sir, clear.
Abhishek Padar. Abhishek Padar,
Good morning, sir.
good morning. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Should we move now?
Yes.
So we saw three sorting methods, that is merge sort, insertion sort, selection sort. So we have another sort now called a radix sort. Radix sort. So radix sort, this is the example. So in radix sort, my number is 3-digit number. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what I will do, I will write the same number in the same sequence to this column input. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And I will make 10 columns 0 to 9. Okay?
Because sir, the elements are 9, so
Yeah.
that's
No,
plus
no,
1.
no. Element in an element are any number can have only digits 0 to 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is why.
Okay, digits.
Now. In all these numbers, check the rightmost digit as 0. Is there any number? Rightmost digit 0?
No, sir.
So it is blank.
Okay, sir.
Now check the rightmost digit as 1. Yes, 361. Dal diya. 321. Dal diya. And check the last digit as 2. There is no number, hence empty. Last digit at 3. 143, 423, 543. ये फर्स्ट कॉलम कैसे बना? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have seen the rightmost digit.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
First step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now do what? ये first step का जो output आया है, notice down the output. 361, 321, 143, 423, 543, 366, 348, 538 and 128. उसको मैंने second step में लिख लिया as such, जो first step की output आई है.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear? The first step's output like this: 361, 321, 143, 423, 543, 366, 348, 538, 128 in the same sequence I have written. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Now see the second digit, middle digit. Middle digit having 0? No. Middle digit having 1? No. Middle digit having 2? Yes. 321, 423, 128. ये टेबल भी बन जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
Sir, okay.
तो middle digit has 3, middle digit has 4, middle digit has 5, no, 6, आगे 7, 8, 9 में तो है ही नहीं. Second step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now do what? Write the same sequence in the third step. 321, 423, 128, 538, 143, 543, 543, 348, 361, 386. 366, sorry. अब राइट मोड डिजिट भी देख चुके हैं, मिडल भी देख चुके हैं, फर्स्ट डिजिट देखेंगे. फर्स्ट डिजिट में 1, यस. 128, 143. फर्स्ट डिजिट में 2, नो. फर्स्ट डिजिट में 3, यस. 321, 348, 361, 366. लिख लेंगे ये भी सारा.
Excuse me, sir.
यस यस यस.
Sir, B table में 543 2 times क्यों आया है?
543 टू टाइम नहीं था.
Sir, 143 फिर 543 फिर 543 है.
Second pass में, sir.
सेकंड पास में ना.
Fourth column, sir. Second pass.
इग्नोर क्योंकि 543
इनपुट में भी एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
यस यस यस.
सर इनपुट में भी 366 टू टाइम्स है. सेकंड कॉलम, सेकंड टेबल.
अच्छा.
सेकंड टेबल
361 है.
361 है वो.
नो सर 366.
अरे एक ही बार है.
543 के
यहाँ
बाद.
पे ओके 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 ओके. ये एक ही बार है.
ये देश है हमारा.
चलो देश हमारा तो घर जाके गाओ. See, am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो see, you do not need to take element twice. ये गलती से हुआ उसमें.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is the method clear? Now see,
Yes, sir.
When the third pass I have seen the leftmost digit, the list is already sorted. 128, 143, 321, 348, 361, 366, 423, 538 and 543. So one interesting thing we need to note here is how many passes we will have for a list. Depends upon
Number of digits in
exactly number of digits. We had 3-digit number, so we had 3 passes.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Should we move now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Last but not the least, a very
इसकी
important.
complexity फिर 1 होगी.
Yes, नहीं इसकी भी.
और n होगी.
N.
Yes, sir. n होगी.
N log n.
N log.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us do a very important topic. Trust me, this topic. This is the only one theoretical topic we have in full data structure syllabus, but it is one of the very important topics. You pick any data structures paper and you will find hashing for sure over there. Okay. Let us see it. Hashing. Hashing is one of the searching methods. Hashing is one of the
Searching.
So what are the searching method you know till now?
Binary search.
Binary, linear search and binary search.
Yes, sir.
Which was efficient?
Binary search.
Binary search.
Yes, sir.
But both were suffering from the same problem. Linear search and binary search, both were suffering from the same problem. That problem is called, in both linear search and binary search, your search time depends upon n.
Yes, sir.
Of course,
Yes.
binary search is more efficient, so it will not make that impact as compared to linear search. But again, if number of element increase in binary search also, the complexity will increase.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is the definition of hashing. Hashing is one of the searching methods which makes searching independent of n. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
tell
sir.
me what are the medias you know? If you must have seen those audio cassettes we used 20 years back, 15, 20 years back. You remember? Audio cassettes.
Yes, sir.
जाने से पहले का time. So in that case, our data was getting stored sequentially. If you need to listen the third track, you have to listen first two or you have to forward first two. ऐसे ही होता था?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? आपको अगर थर्ड ट्रैक सुनना है तो आपको पहले दो फॉरवर्ड करने पड़ेंगे या आपको सुनने पड़ेंगे? तो
Yes,
search
sir.
was sequential. Like how much time it will take you to fetch your data depends upon your record number.
Yes, sir.
अगर आपका गाना 5वें नंबर पे है तो आपको पहले 4 तक का वेट करना पड़ेगा या फॉरवर्ड करने पड़ेंगे. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But does this happen in case of your hard disk or your CD-ROM, DVD-ROM?
No, sir.
No. You can randomly play your song.
Yes, sir.
You can directly play your song. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
we made searching faster.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now,
Yes, sir.
can anybody tell me when you click onto your hard disk and try to play any of the song? So what is this? What is the step? How we are able to fetch that song from the hard disk? Does anybody know? Because see, how we are able to play directly our song from the hard disk? Because every data is stored on some memory address.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and we have location of everything. You must have heard of the file systems, FAT, NTFS.
Yes, sir.
Can anybody tell me what is the purpose of those file systems?
Sir, key value से search होता है.
Key value से search होता है.
Yes, sir.
Anybody else? Anybody else? See, what is the name of FAT? File allocation table. Full name is file allocation table. And the other file system is NTFS, new technology file system. The file system you are finding in now Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 10, NTFS file system. See, file allocation table is basically a record which tells me how much memory a file has taken, where my file is stored, what is its initial address, and what is its end address in the memory. Is it clear? So as the name is telling, file allocation table. It's a table, a file which tells you which file of you is stored on which memory location, has taken how much memory. So when you try to fetch something, so these file allocation tables help you basically. These file systems help you. How NTFS is better than FAT? Anybody?
Sir, because वो initial point.
No. NTFS is basically industry standard. NTFS supports encryption,
Yes, sir.
security. अगर आप में से किसी ने देखा हो कि Windows 7 onwards, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, you can encrypt your drives.
Yes, sir.
You can there is the option of BitLocker. Have you people used?
Sir, BitLocker.
Yes.
No, sir.
No. I tell you, do one thing. If you are having Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, go to your My Computer or this PC. Select any drive except C. C को मत कर देना. D, E, F, any drive. Right click onto it, and there will be option turn on BitLocker.
Yes sir, BitLocker से हो
हाँ,
जाता
वो आपसे पासवर्ड पूछेगा, आप पासवर्ड लगाओगे एंड आपकी पूरी ड्राइव को एनक्रिप्ट कर देगा. वो इसलिए कर पा रहा है बिकॉज फाइल सिस्टम कौन सा है?
है.
NTFS.
Yes sir.
Is it clear now? Should we move?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Now, he's saying, suppose we have a file. We have a file which is having some data. Student name, roll number, and class. Student name is 101, roll number. Student name is ABC, roll number is 101, class is CSC. XYZ student name, roll number 102, class is ME, suppose. PQR is a student again, 103 roll number and CSC. So I have a file which is having how many records?
3 records.
3. Basically, I will say n records. There may be 10, there may be 20.
Yes sir.
And for each record, as somebody said, we have a key.
Yes sir.
For each record, we have a key. Okay, a file which is having n number of records, and each record is represented by a key, and each record is stored on some memory location, L memory location.
Yes sir.
Okay, so hashing says what? Hashing says H means K is to L. H is a hash function which says each key is stored on a unique memory location. एक इस रिकॉर्ड की key इस लोकेशन पे stored है, इस लोकेशन की key इस लोकेशन पे stored है. तो for each key we have a
Specific
unique memory address.
Yes
Not
sir.
specific. We will say unique memory address. And suppose a key get 2 keys, K1 and K2. Both will have individual memory addresses. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes sir.
Sometimes this happens, both approach same memory location. If 2 records with 2 different keys try to approach to same memory location, this problem is called
Collision.
And we
Yes,
have to
sir.
handle this collision, and finally that collision handling is called collision resolution. Should we see it?
Yes.
Now see here is the record. HK is to L. So he has taken an example. Suppose there are 68 employees in the organization. And every employee has a 4-digit employee code. Every employee has a 4-digit employee code. Now, for storing these employee codes, because it is a 4-digit, the 4-digit will take 0000 to 9999 memory locations, because this 4-digit value can be anything.
Yes.
So how many memory locations? 10,000?
Yes sir.
Yes or no? Situation is clear. We have 68 employees and each employee has a 4-digit employee code. If it is 4-digit, its value will vary from 0000 to 9999. So this means 10,000. But is it justified to take 10,000 memory locations for 68 employees?
No sir, wastage
No.
of memory.
Yes. Let us see now. We have various hash functions for it. This we have seen, HK is to L. Hash function says every key should have a unique memory address. And it is written. It is possible that 2 different keys, K1 and K2, will yield the same hash address. This situation is called
Collision.
collision. Now let us see hash functions. Trust me, this question surely comes in final examination. Again, last but not the least topic. Now let us see the example. First, I will explain you the example, and then we will see this hash functions. Okay, how they have come. Because otherwise, If I start with this, you will not be able to understand. So how many employees were there?
68.
68. If I say 100 addresses will be sufficient? Yes.
Yes, sir.
But please do not say why we have taken 100. We could have taken 70. है ना 70 बहुत है 68 के लिए. But in that case, finding a location would have been a difficult task. That is why we have taken 100 memory locations. 100 memory location will be sufficient for 68 employees?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, so those 100 location will be 002. 99?
Yes, sir.
So check, we have an example. We have 3 employees with employee ID 3205, 7148 and 2345. 3 employee है मेरे पास. कोई भी 3 employee, randomly I have picked. So using division method, I will find their hash address. Okay? So division method says 99. तो कोई भी की आपके पास है, mod n कर दो उसको. तो 99 is 99 a prime number? No.
No, sir.
Is 98 a prime number?
No, sir.
No. Is 97 a prime number?
Yes.
Yes. तो what I will do, इन तीनों employees की keys को, IDs को मैं 97 से mod दे दूंगा. तो
Yes,
क्या
sir.
आंसर आया? 4, 67, 17. You can see on your screen. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So all these values are within 00 to 99.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Instead of searching in 1000 location, we are searching in only 100 locations. Will not be searching faster.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
clear नहीं हो रहा.
I explain it. See, what we are doing. I told you how many employees we have.
68
68?
employees.
And each employee has a 4-digit code. And
Yes,
if it is
sir.
a 4-digit code, that value will vary from 0000 to 9999.
Yes, sir.
How many locations?
10,000.
10,000. But I say for only storing 68 employees address data, we will 100 location will be sufficient. आप एक imagine करिए 10,000 location में search करना faster है या 100 address में location search करना faster है?
100 वाले
Of
में.
course, है ना? Yes. Now do what? First method is called division method. So it says you have taken 100 locations 00 to 99. Find a prime number. Find the greatest prime number, that is 97. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So divide all these keys 3205, 7148, 2345 with 97. And you get the remainder as 4, 67 and 17. These values are within 00 to 99.
Yes, sir.
That means I will store 3205 on 4th location, 7148 on 67th location, and 2345 on 17th location.
Yes, sir.
And see, imagine mod करने से अगर यहाँ पे भी 4 आ जाता, यहाँ पे भी 4 आ जाता, तो क्या होता?
Collision.
Collision. Because दोनों का same address आ रहा है. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Division
Yes,
method
sir.
is clear. Now see division method. This is the division method. Choose a prime number, okay, and do it mod. Okay. Now see the second method, mid square method. Same employees 3205, 7148, 2345. So what I will do, mid square, I will square of 3205, square of 7148, square of 2345.
Yes, sir.
Now do what? Eliminate the equal number of digits from left and right. What will be left? अगर इस
72.
नंबर, हाँ, 3 डिजिट लेफ्ट से हटा दिए, 3 डिजिट राइट से हटा दिए, 72.
Yes, sir.
3 डिजिट लेफ्ट से हटा दिए, 3 डिजिट राइट से हटा दिए, 93.
93.
इसी तरह 3 इधर से हटा दिए, 3 इधर से हटा दिए, इधर एक 0 आएगा, then 99.
90.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So same says the mid square method. Mid square method says HK is equal to L, where L is obtained by deleting the digits from both ends of K square, or you can say where L is obtained by squaring the key and eliminating the equal number of digits from left and right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mid square method is clear.
Yes, sir.
So 3205 will be stored on 72 location, 7148 will be stored on 93 location, 2 3 4 5 will be stored on 99 location.
सर इसमें भी collision possible है.
हाँ, exactly. And anywhere location is possible. Anywhere
Yes.
location is collision is possible. So we will handle collision shortly. Now next is folding method. So I have the same keys 3205, 7148, 2345. So split this number 32 plus 05. 37. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Split this number 71 plus 48. कितना आएगा? 119. Yes or no? Please. 71 plus 48.
119.
119. But 119 values lies out of this range. 119 तो letters मेरे पास है ही नहीं ना. I have only 00 to 99.
Yes sir.
तो do what? 119 का लेफ्ट मोस्ट वन को रिमूव कर दो. तो I will be left with
19.
which is within range. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now 2 3 4 5 23 plus 45. 68. Is it clear?
सर
Please.
इनमें से सबसे efficient method कौन सा
I
होगा?
tell you. अभी folding complete नहीं हुआ. Please see. Now see the other part of folding. नीचे 3205. तो you can flip your number. 32 plus 05 की बजाय 32 plus 05 को flip कर दिया 50. तो अगर इस तरह से collision आती है तो हम नीचे वाला मेथड ले सकते हैं. 71 plus 48 की बजाय 71 plus 84.
54.
Similarly 23 plus 45 की बजाय 23 plus
54.
54. Or you can flip both also. 23 plus 50, 17 plus 84, 32 plus 54.
सर हम 2 keys भी तो एक को access करने के लिए इस्तेमाल कर ही सकते हैं.
अगर दो कीज को सेम एड्रेस देंगे तो collision होगा ना.
सर नहीं, जैसे हमारे पास 3205 है, उसको हम 37 और 82 दोनों चेक करवाएंगे. Then 3205 access होगा.
See. We have seen the two versions of folding method. I told you third version also. You can flip the both numbers. Suppose
Yes.
you get collision here. You can use this. You get collision here. You use the third method. We have to avoid collisions. Is it clear?
सर रिपीट कर दो.
Folding method.
Yes sir.
I told you in folding method you need to do what? You need to split this number 3205. 32 plus 05 37. Similarly 71 plus 48. 71 plus 48 is 119. But that 119 value is out of range. I have only 00 to 99. तो उसका one में left mode digit I will remove. It will be left with 119. 23 plus 45 68. Is it clear now?
सर जब फ्लिप करवाया तो फिर क्या हुआ?
फ्लिप करके ऐड कर देंगे उसको.
सर वो क्यों
split करके
किया?
ऐड कर देंगे. ऐड करना है because I need to find my hash address where it will be stored. आपको पहले दो मेथड क्लियर है?
Yes sir.
What we are trying to do? We are trying to find the hash address and that value should be within 00 to 99.
99.
Okay, but this value was out of 00 to 99.
Yes
जब
sir.
इसको ऐड किया था तो इसका वन मैंने
Yes.
रिमूव कर दिया था इसको रेंज में लाने के लिए.
तो सर फ्लिप इसलिए करवाया क्योंकि वो आउट ऑफ रेंज था.
नहीं. फ्लिप इसलिए करवाया बिकॉज यहाँ पे कोलिजन नहीं हुआ बट मे बी यहाँ कोलिजन हो जाता. यहाँ भी 37 आ जाता. सपोज
Okay, sir.
आ जाता. So
Okay
in that
okay.
case I will use flip method.
Okay sir.
Okay, should I
Yes.
move?
Yes sir.
Everyone?
Excuse me sir.
Yes.
सर ये 71 plus 84 plus 55 क्यों करा है?
वो गलत है. अब चेक करिए ये आएगा कुछ 155
ओके सर.
है ना. उसका वन रिमूव किए 55. ये इक्वल टू आना था. यहाँ पे प्लस नहीं है.
आना था. ओके सर, थैंक यू.
Now tell me collision is clear to everyone. If two keys get the same hash address, so we will say it is a
Collision.
collision situation.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Now we have to handle this collision. because we cannot give both the same address. Two values cannot be stored on the same address. So what we will do, we have few methods for it. We have method called linear probing. We have method called chaining. Then we have further method quadratic chaining and all. Linear probing, I have values 0, 0 to
99.
99. Suppose two keys are fighting for the same address. This problem is called collision. Yes, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, what I will do, I will assign K1 36. But what about K2? तो K2 के लिए I will find the free location. क्योंकि देखो मेरे पास एम्प्लॉइज कितने थे
68.
और एड्रेसेस कितने हैं
0 to 99.
100. तो 32 extra addresses I will have. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो I will assign 36 to K1. And what about K2? K2 के लिए मैं चेक करूंगा. Is 37 free? Is 38 free? Is 39 free? Is 40 free? Yes, 40 is free. So I will assign 40 to K2. That is called linear probing, because linearly we are searching. After 36, is 37 free? Is 38 free? Is 39 free? Is 40 free? So linearly we are searching, na?
Yes, sir.
And what do you mean by probing? Probing basically is derived from the words called probes. The number of comparisons you had to make to find the free memory location. कितने comparison आपको करने पड़े? Is linear probing clear?
Yes, sir.
So how many comparisons you have to make to find the free location for K2? Maybe 37, maybe 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43 is free. So I will assign 43 to K2. तो कितने कंपैरिजन करने पड़े आपको? 7. Those are the probes. And हम linearly चल रहे हैं, इसलिए इसको linear probing कहते हैं. Is it clear now? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
But suppose
Yes, sir.
they are fighting for 98. Now what I will do?
सर ओनली 99 तक चेक करेंगे.
हाँ, K1 को मैंने 98 दे दिया, but K2 को 99 सर्च करूंगा, but 99 is not free.
यस सर.
अब क्या करूं? लीनियर प्रोबिंग नहीं करेगा यहाँ पे काम.
यस सर.
Yes or no?
यस
Because
सर.
I have values from 00 to 99, but 99 is not free. So empty locations are here. Yes or no?
यस सर.
So I will need to use a circular linked list for it.
यस सर. 00 पे पहुंच.
So I will need to backtrack and I will need to find the free location again. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
easy?
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Okay. Now, if you see, we have something here like ये भी होते हैं कुछ methods. Quadratic probing, like h plus 1, h plus 2 square, h plus 3 square. ऐसे भी location निकाल सकते हैं. Quadratic probing. Double hashing भी है इसमें method. तो चेनिंग मेथड मैं आपको ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ. लिस्ट लिंक लिस्ट बनाएंगे. लीजिए जी, दिस वाज हैशिंग. विद दिस योर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर कंटेंट इज ओवर. हाँ जी, इज इट क्लियर? इज इट इजी?
Yes,
यस
sir.
सर.